Hi, I'm Eve. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Baccarat Prepare Cheese Twist Grater. A simple twist with this device will have you grating cheese, nuts or chocolate in no time. And the best part of it is no exposed blade. No more grating skin instead of cheese. Since the blades are hidden and you aren't continuously running your hand across the blade's surface, it is a much safer device than traditional versions. Simple to use, easy to assemble and dishwasher safe. Two interchangeable grating discs allow you to choose your desired thickness, fine or coarse. To use, select your blade and secure it to the bottom of the food cylinder with the pin. The cheese then goes straight into the food cylinder and into the barrel. For easy and effective grating, simply a downward push and twist. It's also designed with a ribbed handle for comfortable use and grip. It also comes with a base cover for convenient storage of the blades. It easily stores in the fridge with a lid to give you freshly grated cheese anytime.